In today's video, I wanted to show you this canning jar organizer that I made for our fridge. The fridge comes with this dinky shelf that doesn't really fit anything, and the space on the back side of the ice maker door is kind of wasted space. So I made this canning jar holder that holds 11 canning jars, and it just snaps in place just like the old shelf used to. This fits 7 of the 4-ounce canning jars and 4 of the 8-ounce. The jars are in there nice and tight. Even if you slam the door, these jars aren't going anywhere. There's also still plenty of room to get your hand in to unlatch the ice maker door. As one of my reviewers notes, this only fits the 36-inch wide fridge. I think that's pretty much the standard width for most homes. The model just barely fits an X1C print bed. It prints in this orientation with minimal support needed. If you'd like one of these, you can download and print one for free on my Maker World. I'll leave a link in the description below, and thanks for watching.